Every now and then you run into something that looks kind of plain on the surface, but ends up crushing all the hyped projects out there. That's what this felt like. It had that old school crypto vibe, the kind that used to hit hard and still holds up today. If you're curious about how I made this click, stay with me. I'll walk you through every step. When I started messing with crypto, I had no strategy at all. I picked coins based on the hype or because they had a fire logo. That was it. For a bit, I thought I had it figured out. Then the market crashed, and my gains vanished. I'd look at my portfolio and just laugh at how lost I was. That's when I found this super simple system that looked like it shouldn't work. But I gave it a real shot and stayed on it daily. No trending tokens, no expert signals. Just the same process every day. I didn't slack. The payoff? Nuts. I turned red into consistent 3x flips. Let me walk you through how I did it. But before we dive into the actual walkthrough, there's something important I've got to point out. And a lot of people overlook it. You're probably excited to get started. I know I was when I first gave this a shot. But spending just a minute on this part can save you a ton of headaches later. Pump Fund looks super simple on the surface, like it's designed for total beginners. That's what pulls people in. But once you get rolling, it's not as basic as it first seems. If you're not ready for that, it can catch you off guard. So let's break it down now and make sure you're prepped. Fire up Photon and switch on the Pump Fund filter. You'll instantly get hit with a non-stop stream of brand new tokens showing up. It feels a bit like merging onto a speedway with no warning signs. But here's the deal, you've got to keep your head clear. Since making tokens is so easy now, they're dropping like crazy every second. But truth is, most of them tank fast and vanish before they even get noticed. Now toggle the filter to Raydium. As soon as you do, you'll notice a major change in the token list. Everything looks cleaner, and the projects here give off more pro vibes. This is where you'll find legit builders dropping quality tokens. You'll see more stable liquidity, regular volume action, and market cap that doesn't bounce all over the place. Stick with me. I'll show you what to do next to keep rolling. When I first considered creating my own token, I figured it was something only hardcore devs or blockchain wizards could pull off. I imagined myself buried in tutorials, messing with complex tools, or spending big just to pay someone else to handle it. It honestly felt out of reach. Then I came across MoonTool, and everything changed. It's made for people like me, into crypto, but not into coding. You don't need any technical background, just a few clicks, some basic info, and it walks you through everything. If you've ever set up a streaming account or ordered food online, you've already got the skills. I've used it a bunch of times now, and it works flawlessly. What blew my mind was that I never had to DM anyone for help or hire some random dev. MoonTool made it simple, and yeah, even fun. Something that felt way too complicated now just feels completely normal. Alright, first thing we need is a logo. I used Canva because it keeps things super straightforward and helps you get a clean result quickly. The idea popped into my head while I was looking at different coins at the market. Saw the classic Pepe coin and thought it'd be cool to create my own twist on it. I found a fitting image online and went from there. After your image finishes loading, make sure the dimensions are exactly 128 by 128 pixels. If it seems pixelated or a little off, don't skip fixing it. A clean, sharp image is what we're aiming for. Once everything looks good, hit download so we can head to the next step. Alright, let's kick off the setup process. Launch MoonTool and make sure your Phantom wallet is linked. It should connect almost instantly. Type Pepe coin for the full token name and use Pepe for the symbol. Adding a description is optional, so feel free to skip it like I'm doing. Now go ahead and upload the logo you created earlier in Canva. Give everything a once-over to make sure it looks right, and when it's all set, hit Next so we can move forward. Leave the decimals and total supply exactly as they are. Those settings are already optimized to keep everything running properly. MoonTool handles all the back-end verification automatically, so you don't need to touch anything. Once that's done, go ahead and click Next so we can keep things moving. Token verification costs 0.1 Solana, but you don't have to do it if you don't want. I usually skip it and keep my Solana for other things. Either way works. Just press Next when you're ready. If you've got people watching your content online, adding social links can help draw attention to your token. But don't stress. It's not mandatory. Raydium does the rest for you, so just go ahead and click Skip to continue. It might feel tempting to avoid the 0.3 Solana fee, but that can actually make your token look less trustworthy. People will notice and might walk away. Locking freeze, mint, and update controls tells everyone you're serious. Without that, earning trust is tough. After you lock everything, click Launch My Token Now to proceed confidently. Take a quick moment here. Don't just breeze through. When your wallet pops up asking for approval, confirm it immediately. You might get some basic security warnings, but it's all normal. After that finishes, your token will officially be active on the blockchain. Next up, let's secure your liquidity. Head on over to Raydium and start creating your liquidity pool from scratch. The platform's design is super simple. All the necessary tools are laid out clearly for you. First, paste your token's contract address into the user token box. For the symbol, use Pepe, and for the full name, type memecoin. Don't forget to hit Add User Token. If you skip this, Raydium won't recognize your coin properly. Next up, add liquidity. Out of the 1 billion tokens, try putting in about 900 million and pair that with some Solana. This balance helps keep trading smooth and the token price stable as demand picks up. Now you need to decide how much Solana you want to put in. Just click the max button to use everything in your wallet. But before you finalize it, subtract 0.2 Solana manually. That small amount covers future network fees. After that, pick your token's fee rate. I usually go with 2%, but feel free to tweak it depending on your plan. That fee helps keep trading fair and still lets your token grow strong. You're almost done. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool to get things started. When your Phantom wallet pops up asking for approval, go ahead and confirm it. Give it a few seconds to process, and boom, your token is live and ready to trade on Solana. No glitches, no waiting around. You've officially launched from scratch. Launch Photon one more time and confirm the Raydium filter is switched on. Once it's working, you'll see your token appear in the list. That means your launch was successful and your coin is officially live for trading. If you want to track your token's performance, jump onto DEXScreener and open any chart. It really doesn't matter which. When it loads, replace the contract address in the URL with your token's own, then hit enter. You'll see your token's stats update right away. If that feels complicated, just search your coin's name in the bar and select it from the results instead. When you look at the chart, you'll see fast ups and downs happening non-stop. That's trading bots in action. They jump in, grab profits quickly, and then leave. This kind of activity is pretty normal during a token's launch and usually helps get more eyes on it early. Getting in right when a token launches gives you a real edge. That early momentum helps keep things steady from the start. You avoid the wild swings that happen when the crowd rushes in later. Once your investment's set, it starts working for you, and your profits grow steadily. After that, all you have to do is sit back and watch it play out. It's been 9 minutes since we kicked off the liquidity, and we're seeing a steady stream of buys roll in. That kind of early activity is a great indicator. Market cap and liquidity are on the rise too. All that's left is to keep an eye on the live chart and make sure things keep flowing smoothly. At the 26-minute mark, we're seeing a decent wave of movement on our token. These ups and downs are part of the process. The market cap and liquidity levels are looking solid, so just keep tabs on the chart and track what's changing. 33 minutes have passed, which is quite a bit of time, and we're getting consistent payouts. Plus, we just had a $22 transaction go through. Market cap, liquidity, and volume all look solid right now. That's a strong sign to move forward. So now that setup is done, let me show you how to remove your liquidity and move it to your wallet without running into issues. Start by connecting your wallet to Raydium. It's important that it's the same wallet you originally used when launching your token, so everything syncs correctly. This step usually completes in just a few seconds. Then, open the Portfolio tab and switch the display setting to Standard. This view helps you see all your assets in one clear, organized list. If your tokens don't appear right after connecting, don't worry. Sometimes it takes 10 to 15 minutes for the platform to update and reflect everything properly. Once your tokens show up, look for the minus icon next to your liquidity pool and click it to withdraw the full amount of liquidity you added. Double check that you've selected Solana as the asset to receive back, then press Remove Liquidity. When your Phantom wallet prompts for confirmation, approve the transaction. This process usually goes through quickly and without any problems. Once everything is done, you'll receive a message confirming that the process was successful. Then, go ahead and open your wallet to double check that your balance has updated properly. It's all working out perfectly. Reliable profits coming in, and the system staying steady. This way of doing things delivers as long as you remain consistent. With the market picking up, there's no better time to get involved. Plus, you can repeat these steps as many times as you want. The process is picking up speed. It's all falling into place. And with consistency, there's a lot of potential for growth. Just so you know, I'm not paid by MoonTool, Photon, or Raydium. I don't earn a thing. I'm just showing you what worked in my experience. All the details and links are in the description and the pinned comment.